Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I am just going to tell you how to do this type of editing. So without wasting any time, so let's get started this video. To do this type of editing you have to install one application that is available in the Google Play Store, but I will give the link in the description. The application name is the Lightroom CC. I will give the link in the description so you can download easily from the Google Play Store. So if you just click on the Adobe Lightroom, you will find this type of interface here. You have to just click on the all photos, and here you will find the gallery of icon. Just click on the gallery icon, and here you have to select the photos. Now I am just selecting this one photo and just click on the add option. After clicking on the add option, the photo will be added in the all photos. Now just click on the photo and you have to do just editing here. Now just click on this auto. You have to just click on this auto option. Now I'm just after clicking on the auto option, just go downside, and here it will be the brightness option. Just click on the brightness option. You can here control exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, whites and blacks. Now I am not editing here because I don't need this editing here, so I'm just going down, and here I am just going to edit the temperature, tint, vibrance and saturation. I'll make the temperature to 22 and I will make the vibrance to 27 and saturation will be 11. After doing this, just go down, click on the next icon. Here the clarity will be 9, dehaze will be 60 plus 60, and here the vignette option you have to just do to the -1, and here it will ask for the feather and the roundness. You have to just do to the 100, roundness to the 100. Now after doing that, just go to the next option. Here it will ask for the sharpening. Just do the sharpening to the 10 and just put the details to the 50. After putting the details to the 50, here you have to do the noise reduction to the 30. And here the detail should be in the 50. You can adjust the contrast and the color noise reduction. If I just do the color noise reduction, here you can see the change. Now I'm just doing to the 35, and that is. Here you can control the smoothness also and the details also of the colors. If I increase the smoothness, then we get some blurry effects here. Now the smoothness should be default 50. Here you can increase the details also, noise reduction you can increase here, so you get the better photos also. And just go to the down option and remove the chromatic aberration. You have to just check mark, and now this is the photo I edited by some options. Now here if you want to edit the brightness, you can edit exposure, you can decrease or increase as a shown. Here I have done editing. It can be vary from one photo to another photo. For this photo I have done this type of editing. For another photos there may be a different editing, like the contrast should be high one, low one. That depends on the photo which you edit to. For this photo, this is the editing. Here I can increase the shadow or decrease. And if you talk about the temperature is depend upon a person's view. If you like the cooler tone, then you can do it minus. If you like the warmer tone, then you can do the plus. On the right side you will get the yellow, and in the left you get the blue. So you can adjust from cooler tone to the warmer tone. I like the warmer tone, so I am just making this temperature to 22, which is the warm one. So this is the photo edited from these options, and you can see the previous photo and this photo, there is a huge change. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and at last subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.